Hi everybody, thanks for joining me again today. Some heavy duty nail clippers. Now, I don't know about you, but I've seen the little aluminum ones, etc. They're not very strong, but these are nice and strong. They come in this nice little package just for making it easy to keep together for when you're traveling. And we'll show you what that is in just a moment. All right, okay. And in here, they also include a nail file, which is hard to see, but right on this side here is the nail file, so you'll be able to keep your nails nice and smooth. Okay, so nail file there. And then here is the heavy duty nail clippers. Let's get a close up of that. Take a close look. You can see strong metal. All right. Now all you do here is open this up, and then you'll flip this over. This is the spring, and then you can come back down, and now you can see. All right. This is very strong, and I'm just gonna come in here and see if we can clip my nails. See how that? Just like that, nice and simple. It didn't take me a lot of strength. I've found some nail clippers that I've used before. You really got to clamp down on them. This would be great for your big toes as well. So it's ready to go right out of the package. And then of course, with your nail file, smoothing things up and you're all set. The heavy duty nail clippers. Thanks for watching.